Hello everybody, we'll be doing another review. Today we'll be doing my 2022 7 feet tall moon with cat. But yeah, so you may know what the box, box. It did come with a box, a brown box with a picture on it, but unfortunately, I got rid of it because now we use boxes. Yeah, I'll be right back when I get this one in. Alright, this guy is not plugged in, so he's roughly about 7 feet, so yeah, he's not up. I think he's gonna come from the ceiling because it's a lot like below the ceiling. I think he has like 30 lights in there. But yeah. To find out how tall he is, I have to look on his story just to figure it out, but yeah. Yeah, I think he's from like Disney Goods, I think he's what he's from. Found 22, another set up again, I got some good one. I'm having to pull this, it's batons, the cat might get stuck. So maybe have him out. Yeah, he's gonna be on him a little bit, but it should be this here. Maybe. But there's the moon. So I'm going to turn it on this. Okay, maybe not fully, but there you go, the cat's not going well. Of course it's all going to get stuck. Stop a little bit. Yeah, I want to get guys. We got that piece of stir up. Okay, there we go. But yeah. Here's the moon. Star, and then the cat, I think it's Johnny. Yeah, so it has, another good light on here. One right here. Actually, sorry, 40 lights, one from the hat, and then one cat. Oh, by the way, guys, the cat goes upstairs. Yeah, where's the lights off? Well, now my second day colors around, so sorry about that. I did just not going to just the project down, but yeah, there is in the dark. Of course, the lights don't help either, but I mean, it is what it is. So I think there is in the dark. Turn the lights back on. But yeah, I think that's unfortunately gonna wrap it up. I'll go ahead and get it back because you know 7 feet is pretty big. There is a full shot of him. Yeah, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next review. Okay, by the way, there's a fight. The fight's extremely tightly. Oh, and this fan is located behind, back there, behind the base. Yeah, it's like right there. I think you'll think of that right here. Oh, there's a terror right here. And, by the way, guys, his loop, drywall rotted. So last year, what we had to do was we had to tie it on the loop with dry rotted and fixed it. So, now that's no more done. And then, that's really about it. Then one tail loop, which really sucks. You would think you have like a segment on the couch. But it does have bubbles. One right here. And one in the back. There's this big green nose. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Okay, why am I doing this? This snow, like I said, I got like over 2 years ago, but now I'm like 22, 24 right now. Yeah, don't even know 4 on this thing. That's actually like a while. Again, so there you go. Sorry about the late review, but yeah, there he is. I'll see you guys in my next review.